Hi everybody, and welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Plymovent fume collector, generally used for welding. You'll see it has a long articulating arm right here. The arm has a light on it, which you can see on and off here. I'll give you a look at that underneath there, rather bright. And then of course there's a remote control here to operate the unit, and you have to hold on to that so an operator can work it from here as well. It's operating on 120 volt. It also, we're going to verify this information with the manufacturer. It does have a cleaning function, which we believe is operated, and there's the cleaning function right there, indicator on, through a compressed air source which enters here to help clean the filter while in use. Mostly polymer constructed, has an easy, no tools hand wheel right there. Remove the cover and take and clean the filter out. Portable, of course, on wheels. It's operating on 120 volt single phase. Very nice little unit. They will, of course, collect other fumes if you have laser gas, things of that nature. I'm going to check the manufacturer, but I'm sure they work well for that as well. You'll find this on our website under our dust collectors section for all photos and details. Thanks for joining us for this video today. We look forward to hearing from you.